Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hello everyone and happy Vlogmas Day 11. Today I'm going to be showing you guys our Christmas themed room tour. So let's come in. So first of all, as soon as you walk in, you see my nightstand over here. And we got this from, I think, Mr. Price Home. It's a cute little gnome for decoration. And then Kelty also got me this plant. I think it's from Target. Is it $5? Good deal for this. So yeah, this is my bedstand area. I always have like my essentials under there, like my remotes to like my aircon and my lights and stuff. Like your turn. And then I have my charging station under here also for like my iPad and phone at night. And then if you turn to your left, like what is it? I don't know if you. Then if you continue, I don't know. And then my bed area is decked out with Christmas. We have this cute pillow. Both of these flew from America. My dad brought it over, and both of them are from my grandma. So if you're watching this, Nina, thank you for the beautiful pillows. They're so cute. I literally love them. Oh, and she got us this blanket. Like really anything soft. American and Christmassy is just a better vibe. So yeah, this is my bed area. I absolutely love it. It's a super soft blanket. And then above you, you have this cute, it's like a mosquito net, but we don't really take it down much because there's not many mosquitoes because we have mosquito netting on our windows. Anyways, I threaded through some like Christmassy lights that I got a while ago, and it totally just makes it more magical and cute and Christmassy. You can change the setting. There's like 8 different settings for it to do some like flashy or twinkly lights. I'll show you. That one's a little weird. We use them for our TikToks for like cool flashy moments. Number 8. Level or whatever. Setting number 8 is the still. So anyways, moving on to my dresser area. We have this cute real plant that we are like giving it ice cubes so that it survives. It's cut a poinsettia. Okay. Just so you know. And then over here we have some beautiful Bath and Body Works body sprays. These are our favorite ones. This is the Hello Beautiful. I don't even know what scent it is. White gardenia jasmine petals. Alright, a lot of flowery ones in that. This one is champagne toast, bubbly champagne sparkly berry juicy tangerine. Wow, I've never actually read these names. News to me. And this one is Summer Melody. That's mine. Golden Honeydew. That's what. Wow. Bronzed Vanilla. Those are like the 2 best things. All right. You must be wondering why there's a random pot of coins right here. If you come over to this dresser, I have a little gumball machine, which I've put American red and green M&Ms in. And the thing is, they're too small because they're not gumballs, so they literally all fall out right here. But that's okay. So I'm just waiting for my friends to come over and eat them. And then these pop in there even though they don't come out. So it's like fun. For decoration. And then above this shelf I have this cute one picture frame that I swap out the photos, and this one was taken on Christmas and this one was also on Christmas Day like a while ago. So I just like to swap it to match the theme of whatever season I'm in right now. Then I have this what would you do if you weren't afraid little picture frame. That is from like Ireland, I think. Yeah, I think so. No. And then I have this cute K that doesn't light up anymore because it's a little old. Oh, and our famous ring light that we use every day, that the ring light doesn't even work anymore, so it's basically a tripod. Yeah, it's just a tripod. Yeah, like the lighting thing got stripped, so we can't even use it anymore. This is like my sitting poof. We call it a poof area. Kearney, this is actually from Kearney's room that I just took for the video to make it more festive, but this is like a cute pillow that says Mary on it. That's also from my grandma. Anything Christmas themed is probably from my grandma. Other than this stuff. Stockings, this is like my decoration like area. As you can see, there's a lot of red and green going on over here. I have stockings hanging up. I have this cranberry candle, very fruity. Doesn't smell like Christmas, but it's red, so. Anywho. Then I have this green. We're doing the whole red and green vibe. As you can see, I have this like traditional cute Christmas tree that is from like the China store one day that Kelty won for a Christmas gift. Very cute. Affordable. Really? So you guys can go get one somewhere else. And then it came with some cute ornaments. It's like everything's mini. It's like, so adorable. It's really, really cute. This is my galaxy light. You can change it to whatever color you want. But to keep the Christmas theme, I put it on the setting of red. Cute little plant here. And then right here on the edge of my dresser, Kelty and I like transport this everywhere throughout every room we're in. But it's just a quick grab and go basket of all of our different types of makeups. We have a hairbrush, all the essentials for like filming reels, TikToks, so that we can quickly touch up and stuff. Yeah, this is mainly our filming room, kind of like. Yeah, this is mostly our family room. And then this is the famous wall. Our filming room.
this is the famous wall you guys might see in all of our TikToks and Reels.
Yeah. And then right here by my bathroom, little entrance, I have cute little snowman. It kind of can't stand up by itself, so I put it against the wall.
What's his name? Like Bob or something?
Snowy or something?
Yeah.
Oh, and right behind this Christmas tree is a hidden list of things that I want to do before I go to college. Let me show you. So I've written down this with one of my friends. Her name's Bella. She also has one of these, and it's basically a bucket list of things that I want to try and do before I leave South Africa to go to America for college.
Yeah, there's more. I didn't know that.
Yes, so
Cool.
that is a fun thing. We are checking off a lot of them. Behind the Christmas tree, we have these two super cute mirrors. They have like a border of like a disco ball theme type thing. So they're really cute. They add a lot of design and like size to my room because reflection, if you just want a bigger room, add something that is reflective because it totally makes your room look bigger.
Yeah.
I've seen people do like the dressers sliding with mirrors. That's also a really good idea.
It really opens up a closed small space.
Yeah. And then over here, Katie literally cracked my light.
That was me actually.
Well, it's holding on by a thread. Don't even know how that's even staying on there. But I've got these cute like old-fashioned lights that you can like yank.
Yeah.
And then it goes on.
Yeah.
And then, as you guys saw in yesterday's video, okay, this is just like a crazy closet. Don't judge, but all the things that we have under here, it's like mostly our Christmas
Pajamas to
outfits,
film reels.
because we film TikToks all the time with Christmas because we're doing tons of Christmas TikToks. So if you want to follow me, it's at Kaya Hardy on TikTok and at Kelty Hardy on TikTok. So this is like my coat closet, and right here I have all of our candy for Christmas that I've been saving up. My dad got a lot of the stuff from America, so can't wait to use that. He also brought 2 gingerbread houses that will be in probably another vlog. It's gonna be like a gingerbread house competition, so that will be really fun. Over here is my clothes. A little messy again.
She keeps them folded like we do a whole like reorganizing closet folding
Like every
day
once in a while. As you can see, it's just with the reels. I'm constantly changing outfits, so I'm just like,
just throw them in there.
so that's my closet. And then in my bathroom.
Wait, you can't miss the iconic photo wall.
And then right next to my closet area, I have this huge photo wall. This photo wall is very special to me because it has a lot of memories on it. I actually haven't changed it since like 8th grade. So these are all my like 8th grade / 2020 photos. There are tons of fun memories. My friend Lindy is coming this December. So this is she right here. Say hi, Lindy. She'll be in the vlog soon.
Yeah.
So yeah, very excited to see her. We're gonna be picking her up at the airport, and you guys will see all the fun content that we're gonna be filming with all of my sister's American friends, my friends. So it's gonna be very, very exciting. And then behind this door is my bathroom, but it's kind of dark and probably not the cleanest.
Nia, I actually cleaned it for you.
Like messy, so.
Hey, I cleaned it for you and turned the light on, so you can go and look.
I threw a poof in there because it didn't match my room.
Neil, let's just kind of
Welcome to my bathroom area. This is an ensuite bathroom. I have my bathroom, like my toilet area, my essentials like nail polish and all these drawers and fun stuff in there. And then we have my shower that I use. I don't really use my bath too often, but maybe this Christmas I'll get some bath bombs.
Christmas presents.
And then maybe I can use my bath. So yeah, and then I have over here, I have like my bio oil, toothbrush, mouthwash, some makeup bags. So yeah, this is my bathroom. And then I have these cute towels. Kelsey got me a bath mat. Oh, I see 2. Okay. Yeah, so that's my bathroom, everyone. Anyways, that is the final room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys for Vlogmas Day 12 tomorrow. Happy holidays. Bye.